So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we got this question of circle, and let's do this question. Circle A and B are graphing the xy plane, and circle A is represented by this point. Okay, let's just write the point and see the circle. X plus 8, it is a square. Okay, and y minus 8 and square. And the pro tip here is that don't use uh, this thing, okay, to write. Just use your uh, keyboard of laptop. Okay, and is 64. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, intersect x is 8 point rs. Okay, or is x-axis is the x-axis. Okay, this is r and this is a. Yes, so r is like minus 8, right? Minus 8, and yes is 0. Okay, so okay, fine. Circle B has its center and has a radius of same length as. Okay, radius is same, so 64, 64. Yeah, we can all are right. Okay, fine. Has its center. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, okay. Like this here, like this. So it will be x value will be mm, x minus h, right? X minus h and y minus k, right? Yeah, simple, simple. So what is h? H is minus 8, so minus minus will be 8. Okay, fine. So here should be 8. Okay, these two are so bad. And mm, minus 8, this was b was trapped, right? Because it is here is minus 8. Because here is also minus 8. You might think it is the answer, but here x minus h, right? X minus h. So yeah, here h is minus 8. So minus minus will be plus. So C is the answer, guys. This is very simple question, guys. Thank you.